Could I help you, Michelle? No. Why?
Hillary can help.
Yeah, I can too. Let me handcuff Grandpa's camera to
Here.
Okay, let's see you handcuff somebody, Sean.
No.
Now come back.
Michelle. Ready? Go!
She's finding all the shit.
Let's just go. Go, Michelle. Pick it up.
What is this? What is this?
Don't call it.
I'm looking.
Don't step on them.
I got the real leg.
Well, she left me like here.
I have 3 real legs.
They kind of seem to produce one year and then they
Yeah,
back a
most
year.
fruit trees are like that.
Red one. Point the camera at it.
Where'd you see him? On the other side?
Sneaky Sean, the snake hunter. Shoot! Oh, you got him! Is that where he...
He started to go for it. I think that was the way it distracted him. Yeah, there's another.
Hey, Tyler boy. You gonna do the Nordic track now?
Every time one wants to videotape me, he goes. He starts going for it.
I think you're supposed to stand on it. You want to be a cross-country skier? Huh? You want to be a cross-country skier? Or do you just want to be a downhill racer?
And watch this, I'll eat this kitty tail.
You sure are a sloppy eater, you know that? Let's see the back of your head there. Let's see the back of your head. See it on the back of your head too. You got food all over your brains. Now you want to get on my camera too, huh? No, I'm gonna back off. Cheese! Can I say happy birthday, Hillary?
Happy birthday, Grandpa, take a camera. Can I tell you how about I lost my tooth?
Okay, let's take a picture of his tooth. Can I see it?
Get in the car. Listen, big kids sit down on the center part.
Okay, let's go to the bowling alley.
Go get in the car, buddy.
That makes him happy, doesn't it?
Yeah, he likes that camera.